Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the startup beep volume on a PS5. So let's get started. First, from the PS5 home screen, go to the top right corner and select the settings icon. Now scroll down and select System. From the System section, go to Beep and Light. Here you will see two options, volume and mute beep sound. If you want to turn the startup beep off completely, select mute beep sound and toggle the switch on. Once enabled, your PS5 will no longer play the startup beep when you turn on the console. To turn the startup beep back on, simply toggle the switch off. If you want to change the startup beep volume instead, select volume. Here you can choose between high, medium, or low, depending on your preference. Once you make your selection, the change will be saved automatically. And that's it. You have successfully changed the startup beep volume on your PS5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.